157 participants in that group.
What is the name of the group?
Justice for Scarf and Namaz. Justice for Scarf and Namaz. Like the girls who came to know that I am not supporting them had got threatened calls, messages, so that I can support them. But then I did not do so.
They file any case against the
No, they had called me from Saudi, unknown number.
You got
Yeah.
They did not file a complaint against the court.
No, but then they did not text me again, so I just. Sister asked me to give it to the cyber crime.
Yeah, because see, I'm scared about her life also because she's student vice president and they should not make use of her for this. For that matter, even Fatima, the moment she apologized, she too is been removed. And
I only left the group, yeah.
but there she is.
Yeah, WhatsApp. And now they have created another group because people who are not involved in that group, they have created another group.
Go, you go. What's happening?
Fatima.